Well, time to change out our laundry room. We're going to put some cabinets and shelves up there, kind of hide all that stuff. So let's go do that. Well, here's another view. I'll have to find somewhere else to keep my keys. Let's get her done. Well, here's what we changed it to. Put some cabinets up, some shelves, painted the wall. Here's the other view. Made a hat rack over there. All right, let's go see the progress on this. Well, the start of our laundry room remake or do-over. We're in the Stardust Building Supplies where they have used cabinets. And we're looking at now this one. This might be the one. And we found the pair over here. We came across this one now too. So this might be it. Well, here's our find. We got both cabinets for about $70. So 35 bucks a piece. Let's make them work. Well, here's one of the two cabinets. And this will be the side that goes against the wall. And what we envision is the second cabinet over here with a clothes bar or a shelf between the two. But on this one end, it's really not finished. So what we're going to do, there's just a lip on it there, and I got some cardboard that'll go on there, and it'll sit flush against that side. put down a coat of primer now. I'm going to use this gripper. And we've used a brush before. I thought we got too many brush marks in it. So I'm going to try this foam brush. All right, I'm going to leave you here, and I'll catch you back up when I'm just about done. Well, the first coat's dry, and they turned out very nice. I think you can see, based on the light reflection, hopefully. Not bad at all. And the boxes themselves turned out great too. But now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a second coat on, but before I do that, I'm going to run them out a little bit with these 3M vinyl finishing pads, the white ones. I find these are a lot better than steel wool because you don't get the steel shavings from these. I'll go ahead and put the second coat on. It actually barely needs it, but I missed a few spots. So we'll just do it again. All right, I'm going to put the final coat on. So I tore down this shelf in the laundry room. And as you can see, ripped out some of the drywall. So we're going to patch that. But before we do that, we got to prep that drywall a little where it's paper's peeled off. And I'm going to use some spray adhesive on it. Don't need much. Gonna let that dry now, come back and mud it. Oh, it's been about an hour. Dry enough. All right, let's take off this ledge. Got my fingers crossed. All right, it stayed up. All right, I'll put it about right there. Well, here's what we changed it to. Put some cabinets up, some shelves, painted the wall. Here's the other view. Made a hat rack over there. Okay, we're going to look for a couple upper cabinets for that laundry room. Even maybe a lower one between the washer and dryer.